Today, I am leaving Japan. Paper for my
What's up? This is me. I'm Alexi from Noriero. I do drifting and car stuff over here. So a bit different to the regular content on here, but I'm friends with Joey.
But
so
he's gonna spit on his head
blood.
later.
I'm gonna do a triple. I don't know what to call it.
That's been.
I'll bust some shit out of it.
Yeah. Tough gummy, probably the best gummies I've ever had in my entire life. Comes with 3 flavors. This is cola. This is energy drink. And this is lemonade. Definitely does not disappoint. So apparently there is a mechanical problem with the plane, and we are stuck on the runway.
And now they need to fucking request a towing car to tow us back to the fucking gate so that we can examine the plane. I'm not sure when we're gonna go back to Taiwan.
No problem. It's due to the taxing way, and due to the weather is too hot. Now we just complete our fueling procedure. We will start our journey. Thank you for your cooperation and attention.
Round 2, baby.
We're getting all the best price for our flight. Second meal.
Went with the Hamburg this time, though.
Alright, so we're en route to a beef noodle soup place. So one thing that I did notice is that out here in Taiwan, they have a lot of scooters.
I'm telling you, scooters are everywhere. This is the beef noodle soup spot.
Gang, gang.
This is it.
Small or big?
Big.
I'm gonna go for small. This place must be good because it is packed inside. So due to the lack of space, we're gonna be sharing this 4-person table with another stranger. Very common here in Asia due to the lack of space.
Some places don't even have this plastic thing. The line has not slowed down since we've been here. Ooh, that looks so good.
So the reason I'm here in Taiwan is because Ami is currently training and preparing for the next WDSF event happening in Belgium. I thought I'd take this opportunity to come to Taiwan, kick it with Joey, and create some YouTube content. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. It actually helps the channel so much. Currently going through a post-lunch slump. A little bit sleepy. We're gonna grab some coffee or boba. Also, if you guys didn't know, boba was actually invented in Taiwan, so that's a FYI for you guys.
I wanted coffee, and I still do, but I saw this, and it was so good. So I'm gonna get it, especially because it's recommended.
解释性一些。
那个什么，
I don't even know what this is. This looks like noodles. I realized you're supposed to actually mix this thing together.
这种韩国面。
Alright, I just crushed that and I feel gross right now. I think that was meant to be for 2 or 3 people. 2 people.
Alright, welcome to Hwasan. This is where all the thotties like to go and take pictures and shit because it's fucking aesthetic, okay? AS aesthetic. It's got a lot of history, you know. All these are considered historic buildings. So not every shop can come here to this premise to open a store because you have to go through so many different steps to pass like all these prerequisites before you can open it in like all these like buildings. A lot of these buildings are over 100 years old, right? So you can't just like be in there and fucking, you know, pole dancing your ass off in a fucking club, right? Yeah, so welcome.
They have an Attack on Titan exhibit here. I never actually got into it. What do you guys think? What should be the next anime that I start? I'm really in love with Demon Slayer. I know Joey's really into Jujutsu Kaisen. What would you recommend? What would you guys recommend as the next anime I watch?
How is it?
It's good. Alright, now for this pineapple cake. Recommended by Joey. Alright, it has the logo. Ooh! It's black. Alright, first bite. That is good.
Crazy.
I've had this before, like a regular pineapple cake, but never black. Black is better. Schliv.
CHLIV.
就是变成文官的打扮。
No changing of the guards.
Right now, we are currently at a memorial shrine. Joey and his mom are paying respect to his great-grandfather who served for the country in World War II.
Their fried rice is hella good.